What we like to do, because we're traveling a lot this summer, we put one in every suitcase and we just leave it in there. And then when we check our luggage with the airline or whatever, I can track it wherever it is. This is an Apple AirTag. They come in a single pack like this, or you can get them in 4-packs, I think. Our family has bought multiple 4-packs because we have found so many different uses for them. An AirTag is basically like a Bluetooth tracker. And so what it does is you can use, if you're an Apple person, you can use your like Find My app. And so once you like set these up, if wherever you put them, you can track their location. And so, and then you would just see that on the app. I can't show the app right now because it will show our address and everything like that in our neighborhood. But I open up the Find My app, and when you go under items, because we have several of these, it's listed, we named them like luggage, kids luggage, mom's luggage. And it tells you where it is at that time. Other uses for these are, we will also use them on our keychains, and there's like little holders you can buy for them because it's just kind of a standalone piece. And you attach it to like a key ring, and then you'll always know where your keys are. You could put them in kids' backpacks. We have a friend who always has it on one of their kids, just to know that if they go out on a play date or something, or if they go out in the neighborhood, that they can just know where they are. So it gives a lot of peace of mind to know where all of your important luggage things are.